Have you ever walked into a room and thought, something feels wrong here, but you couldn't explain why? Most people immediately start shopping. A new sofa, a new rug, new artwork, new pillows. But most rooms don't need more things. They need understanding first. Before you change a room, you need to learn how to read it. In this lesson, I'll show you a simple process that helps you understand what's actually happening in your space before you spend money trying to fix it. Have you When something feels wrong, buying something new feels productive. But shopping too early often creates more problems. A beautiful sofa won't fix poor lighting. A new rug won't fix blocked circulation. And expensive decor won't solve a room that has no direction. Design doesn't begin in the store. It begins by understanding the room you already have. Start by looking at everything that already exists: the walls, the floor, the furniture, the lighting, the artwork, the materials, the decor. Don't judge anything yet. Simply observe. Many design problems become obvious once you slow down and really look at the room. Next, describe the room using simple words. Does it feel crowded? Busy? Cold? Empty? Random? Unfinished? Those feelings are clues. Then ask yourself, what is creating that feeling? Is there too much furniture? Too many colors? No focal point? Weak lighting? The goal is to turn feelings into specific design problems. Every problem usually belongs to one of two categories: functional problems or visual problems. Functional problems affect how the room works: movement, comfort, storage, lighting. Visual problems affect how the room looks and feels: color, style, texture, focal points. Knowing the difference immediately makes the solution much clearer. Now, study how people move through the room. Can you walk naturally? Is anything blocking the path? Is the coffee table too close? Can chairs be used comfortably? Good rooms support movement. They feel easy to use. Sometimes moving furniture solves more problems than buying something new. Visual noise is anything that makes the room feel busy. Too many objects, too many colors, too many patterns, too many competing materials. Sometimes the room isn't messy. It's simply asking your eyes to process too much information. Reducing visual noise often makes a room feel calmer immediately. Every room needs somewhere for the eye to land first: a fireplace, a window, artwork, a media wall, a beautiful furniture arrangement. Without a focal point, rooms often feel unfinished. With too many focal points, rooms feel confusing. One element should lead. Everything else should support it. Finally, ask yourself, does this room feel like one idea or several different ideas competing together? Beautiful rooms don't necessarily match perfectly, but they usually feel connected. Their colors relate. Their materials relate. Their mood feels intentional. Once the direction becomes clear, future decisions become much easier. Reading your room isn't about criticizing your home. It's about understanding it clearly. Every room already gives you clues: what's working, what feels wrong, and what needs your attention first. Once you can see those things clearly, design becomes much calmer and much more intentional. You stop guessing, you stop buying randomly, and you start making decisions with confidence. Before moving to the next chapter, take a few minutes to read one room in your home using the process we covered today. Then complete your room problems and flow checklist. Because the better you understand your room, the easier every design decision becomes.